You have a beautiful garden. You have a beautiful garden. I like my new shoes. I like my new shoes. She is brushing her hair. She is brushing her hair. They are drinking juice. They are drinking juice. He is riding a bike. He is riding a bike. We are planting trees. We are planting trees. She listens to music. She listens to music. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. He reads a newspaper. He reads a newspaper. We go to the library. We go to the library. They help each other. They help each other. I eat an orange. I eat an orange. She is feeding the cat. She is feeding the cat. They play with the dog. They play with the dog. You smile every day. You smile every day. We run in the morning. We run in the morning. They watch the birds. They watch the birds. I draw a house. I draw a house. You enjoy the rain. You enjoy the rain. She writes a letter. She writes a letter. He opens the door. He opens the door. We clean the room. We clean the room. I jump high. I jump high. They sing a song. They sing a song. You paint a picture. You paint a picture. She carries a bag. She carries a bag. He waters the plants. He waters the plants. They play with the dog. They play with the dog. We eat ice cream. We eat ice cream.